have come to the realization that while I'm editing this video, a lot of stuff doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna be coming at ya a couple times during the video just to fill in the blanks. These are my roommates.
Show me.
Plus one, and there's two more. We just got done doing serenades. Yeah, we just got done doing serenades for the fraternities, which I will insert clips here.
Cider for sight, it'd be delicious. Delta Gamma Acre Slash, see you there for show. Stop by Starbucks and be sure to post a photo.
I know. And yeah, the sororities around here, we do that when our philanthropy week, and our philanthropy week is this week, so it should be a semi-entertaining vlog. Not my normal life, but see how it goes.
5 hours later.
So, I am coming back from the dungeon of studying. Just kidding, that's just where we have our study room. Okay, so what I was saying was that is just where we have our study room. It is in the basement. I'm currently in our bathroom. My specific room has its own bathroom, which is really nice, but then everywhere else, it's community showers. Well, actually, we have a community shower too, but we just have our own actual bathrooms, but whatever. So, our study room is in the basement. We don't have desks or anything in our room. If you guys want a sorority house room tour, let me know. And so I was in the study room downstairs studying for my accounting exam because our entire class is doing a retake because everyone did so bad. So that's how this is going. But yeah, so I just took a shower a little bit ago and I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then probably go to bed. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday and I am done with classes, and I actually only have classes in the morning, but we have our, my face. We have a philanthropy event tonight because this is our philanthropy week. I think I already said that earlier, but we have Cider for Sight because our philanthropy is the local school for the blind, so that should be fun, and we're gonna have cider and donuts, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go take a nap. Okay, so we have what's called a cold dorm, and basically all 88 of us that live in the house, we all sleep in one room, and it's actually really amazing because it's always cold, it's always dark, it's always quiet. You can go in there whenever you want, and it's the best for taking naps. So that's what I was doing. I was going in the cold dorm to take a nap, and now I am going to be doing my friend Maddie her makeup for our Cider for Sight event that will be in our house, and we'll have donuts and cider, and yeah. Delta Gamma! Holding this at a super low angle so it doesn't look too weird because I'm in the middle of campus right now, but I just finished with all of my classes. I'm actually skipping one of them. It's called Tai Chi. It's actually a really lit class, but I just have a lot of work to do and I don't really feel like going today. So I'm just heading back to the sorority house now and gonna do some work. So I've really been liking the Chloe bags and also the Gucci Marmont bags, but I don't have the money for either of those. But look what I just found. Is that not amazing? And they also have it in pink. Guys, Target's purses are amazing right now. I'm like, oh, that's so cute. I'm in heaven. Okay, there was literally no one in the store but a couple people, and so it would have been really awkward if I was talking loud. But Target has really cute purses right now. You need to go check them out. If you can't get to a store, definitely go online. They've got Chanel inspired, Gucci inspired, all the goods. So, went into Target for a $10 bulletin board and came out spending like $130. So that's cool, but I'm actually like really excited about the stuff that I got. I got this really cute hat and the purse that I showed you guys, and a sweater and a necklace. And then the bulletin board, which I'm getting to store my jewelry on. I have this thing that's on my desk at school right now that's like a little thing with like little arms on it, I guess. I don't know. And like it holds them well, but I just don't like it because I can't like see. I'm the type of person that like I have to see it to like use it. And so I like when they're like I can see them individually. So I'm gonna get a bulletin board and then put, oh, skirt. You almost got hit. I got a bulletin board, and they actually have push pin hooks, which I'm really excited about because that is like exactly what I wanted, and I was gonna try to like think of a way how to like make that, but they had them at Target. And then instead of just getting like regular thumbtacks, I wanted something that was a little bit more discreet. So just like some little type of like little thing. I was trying to think like what I could use, and then I was like, oh, like little sewing tacks. So I went in the sewing section and they had like sewing pins, and they had ones with the little pearls on the top, and I was like, that is just perfect. So that's what I got, and I'll probably end up doing that sometime this week. So I will show you guys once that is done. And I wanted to cover the corkboard with fabric to make it like look cuter and stuff, but then I'd have to go to Joann's, and that's like another 15 minutes away, and I really should be studying right now. So I decided that the cork color will have to do for now. So I'm headed back to campus, and then I have to study, and yeah. Okay, I'm digging the lighting, not my blending skills. So I just finished my business ethics class, and now I'm in my information technology class, and I have to print out a PowerPoint for my next class. So I'm gonna get to doing that. My classes on Tuesday, Thursday are all an hour and 15 minutes long versus only 50 minutes. I get so bored and tired, but whatever. Okay, where am I going? Yeah, if any of you have tips on how not to be extremely tired, like I go to bed like 11, and then I get up either at 7 or 8 depending on my classes, and like I kind of can't drink coffee because it makes me a little crazy, but or it like doesn't do anything at all. So give me some tips if you have anything on how I can stay awake during class, because it's a struggle bus.
Yeah, I was at Luciana, so.
Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm just kidding.
Hey
Hey guys, so we are just leaving Chipotle. This is Caroline.
Hi.
One of my roommates, Jackie.
Hello. Hi, everyone. It's me, Carrie.
And then Ellie, our fake roommate. So we are just leaving Chipotle right now because we had a give back for our philanthropy event. I feel like that's all this vlog is going to be, is just talking about philanthropy, but it's our philanthropy week, so what can you do? So we are about to head over to the school that we sponsor. What do we do?
Partner with?
Our partner?
Yeah, I guess. And we have like a lip syncs, and then they also do like water, what's it called?
Synchronized swimming.
Synchronized swimming.
Who was that?
And they were probably getting bubble tea. She wanted it so
Who was
bad.
it?
Jillian. And yeah, so that should be fun. And yeah.
And yeah.
Hey, what's up? Hello. We out here. You want to be in it? We are at the pool now. So the festivities will begin. Okay, so during our philanthropy event, we are Service for Sight, and we have a local blind school here near our campus, and that is the one that we personally help out. And so we are at their pool because we our like service week is called Anchor Splash. I don't know if I've said that before, because DG is anchors. That's our thing. And so we do Anchor Splash, and the fraternities, and just the fraternities, freshmen, and I think there's like an independence group. They each make little teams, and then they do like synchronized swimming dances, and they're really fun and really funny to watch. So we'll insert some clips here. So I just got back from our Anchor Splash, and it was super fun. I don't know if you guys could tell in like the last clip, but everyone jumped in the pool, hence the naked mole rat looking hair. But we all jumped in fully clothed. And yeah, so it was super fun. But also, like, I totally forgot how much work swimming is. I am so tired, and like I got like an immediate headache from swimming, and I was like, cool. Anyways, so now we're back. It's around 9 o'clock, and I have to study 3 chapters of my microeconomics. So that should be fun. All I really want to do is just go to bed because I'm tired, and I have a headache now, but I have to study for an exam. I normally do very well on these exams, so it's not like I have like super high hopes, but I'm trying, kinda. I understand this chapter a little bit more, but honestly, when it gets to the exams, I'm like, oh yeah, like I understand everything. And then I get to the actual exam, and I'm like, what? I never learned this. Like, I feel like teachers always do that kind of stuff. They just throw a curveball at you. Okay, so I am headed to dinner and then to the basketball game. I don't exactly remember the last time I talked to you guys. I think I just had like a little clip of like me studying. Last night was pretty stressful after I got back from Anchor Splash and all of that. And then I had the exam this morning, which we'll see how it went. And so it is actually family weekend, and so my parents are driving up, and I am going to meet them for dinner right now. And actually my grandma's sister lives here as well with all of her family, so we are meeting them because they have season tickets to the basketball game. Oh, I shouldn't have come this way, there's traffic already. Oh, sorry, I was just like grabbing it. And so we are gonna go get dinner, like I said, for the millionth time, and then we are gonna go to the basketball game. And they got normal tickets, and like we get student tickets, which are free for us, which is amazing. And ours are like in a different section, so I don't really know if I'm gonna sit with my parents or not, but I also don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore, so this might be my last clip, but we'll just feel it out and see what happens. So that is what is going on right now. This afternoon I didn't really do much. I'll show you guys. I actually did do the little, what's that thing? The bulletin board. I did do the little bulletin board, so I will show you guys that. Here is the bulletin board or corkboard or whatever. I just have it on the wall with some like command strips. And then as you can see, these are the thumbtacks that have the hooks on them, which are great. And then these are just the little push pins. I kind of need a bigger one because it's kind of like exploding a little bit, but I think it turned out really cute. And we watched Grey's Anatomy, which I'll insert clips here. Damn. This is what college really is.
Don't watch this episode of Grey's Anatomy unless you want to cry. Public service announcement.
PSA.
Yes.
It will rip out your heart.
Because it was such a sad episode. It was their 300th episode, and like it wasn't even that sad. It just made me cry so much for some reason. Well, actually all of us. It was just like, I don't know, man. And I was really hoping Christina was gonna pop up at the end, but she didn't. I was a little salty about that, but whatever. So I will talk to you guys later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this. Let me know if you want another college week in my life or something like that, because that wasn't really a super typical week because we don't have philanthropy week every week. So more of just like chilling and like hanging out with friends, going out, you know, all sorts of stuff like that. So let me know if you guys would want to see one of those, and I can do that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.